Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a LinkedIn business page. And for this we go to our LinkedIn account and then click here on For Business, and then from there click on Create a Company Page. Then from here we go to Company, and right now we need to fill in our company name. Now for me that's Flux Productions or Production, and then right here we can go further. Now we can fill in the website, but that is not necessary. You can choose if you want to. Then we have industry. Now I'm in the technology industry, so I select that one. The organization size is 0 to 1 because I'm the only one in my organization. And then let's say it's a self-employed organization type. Then from now we can also choose a file to select a logo for our company. And then right now the tagline is not necessary, but you can add information if that's important. Then click here on I verify that I'm an authorized representative of this organization, etc. And then click on create page. Then from here the page got created, and right now we have our own business page. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.